Well, looking ahead to the day tomorrow, what can we expect before we start to see the worst of Debby arrive into the area? Well, it'll be partly cloudy to start your Sunday morning. Can't rule out an isolated shower here or there, but we really don't see those outer bands arriving until during the afternoon. And later trends, or the latest trends, I should say, have been pushing that arrival time a little bit later in the day. So we'll start to see those outer bands a little bit closer to dinner time than noon time now. And then after sunset, that's when we'll start to see conditions go downhill, and then around midnight, sometime around there, we'll start to see those tropical storm force winds really start to move into the area. But we see right now what's going on with Debby. It is strengthening up to a 45-mile-per-hour tropical storm. Was a 30-mile-per-hour tropical depression when we woke up this morning. Well, it's going to continue to move to the northwest, and a lot of moisture in its way, which is good for its chances of development. Unfortunately, not good for us that want to see a weaker storm. But we do have a little bit of hope with this dry air off to our northwest. What that can do is when it gets a little closer, maybe we'll infiltrate the circulation a little bit to keep this system from strengthening too much, but we're not entirely certain on how that dry air is going to come into play as of now. We still have a lot of time to watch that, but the water temperatures are more than favorable for strengthening in the upper 80s. Ideally, you need those waters around 80 degrees or higher if you want to see some ideal strengthening, and unfortunately, it has a lot of very warm waters in its path and low wind shear as well, indicated by those brighter colors as it moves towards its final landfall, or its first landfall, I should say, which is expected on the coast of the Big Bend, somewhere between Apalachicola and Cedar Key, as an 85-mile-per-hour hurricane now. That's what's new as of the 11 p.m. advisory. A little bit stronger Cat 1 hurricane than we were previously forecasting at landfall. But doesn't mean everywhere in our area is going to get in on those hurricane force winds. In fact, Leon County right now is under a tropical storm warning, so we are expecting to see sustained winds of 39 miles per hour possible within Leon County or northern Wakulla County, within somewhere in that area. And then tropical storm watches from Liberty County up towards Decatur County, Colquitt County, and then Lowndes County with Valdosta over towards Suwannee County, where 39-mile-per-hour wind gusts are possible as we head over the next 48 hours. But hurricane alerts, this is where we could get a little bit more of a punch from the wind in our area. That will be Jefferson, Madison, Taylor, Lafayette counties, and also our coastal Wakulla County could see sustained winds of 74 miles per hour or higher in the next 36 hours, late Sunday into early Monday, as the strongest part of the storm moves ashore. Hurricane watches mean those wind speeds are possible along the Franklin County coastline over there, down farther south towards Cedar Key. Now, storm surge alerts. We have a storm surge warning in effect. The storm surge forecast totals have gone up. So this is a worst case scenario if that storm surge happens at a high tide period. You could see anywhere up from 6 to 10 feet of storm surge possible in Taylor County, Jefferson County. A worst case scenario there would be a 4 to 7 foot storm surge, in Franklin Wakulla County, 4 to 6 feet storm surge. But again, if the center of the storm, let's say, moves in towards Taylor or Jefferson County, you get an offshore wind flow for Wakulla and Franklin counties. That can help reduce that storm surge total if you are on that left side of the storm relative to its motion. So that's what you kind of want to root for if you are in any of those counties. Now, 1 to 3 inches of rain should be a good bet for the western parts of our area. 3 to 6 inches once you get towards Tallahassee and westward. Can't rule out 6 to 9 plus feet of, or excuse me, 3 to 6 inches plus of rainfall as we head into the Suwannee River Valley. Can't rule out some localized areas of a foot or more as you head out closer towards that I-75 corridor. So please, watch out. We could have some heavy rainfall rates and some flooding issues out there, especially on that right side of the storm. But we can see the storm will gain its strength as it heads towards tomorrow evening. These yellows indicate the tropical storm force wind field at that time, starting to move ashore just after sunset tomorrow. So by sunset, that's when we want to have all of our plans and our preparations done, and we can just hunker down, shelter in place until this system moves out and away from us. This is the latest heaviest. Her model is indicating where that heaviest of the rainfall will be with the storm by 7 p.m. Sunday, starting to see those outer bands in our area. And then we start to see that heaviest rain just offshore as we head just past sunset towards midnight. And that's when conditions will start to really go downhill. Also, cannot rule out the chance for an isolated pop-up tornado that just spins up in this green shaded area. That will be on the right side of the storm relative to its motion. So what you need to know about Debby: the storm is centered right now west of the Florida Keys, moving towards the northwest. Rain squalls will be commonplace across our region starting this time tomorrow. And here's our do's and don'ts when it comes to Debby. What I want you to do: check for updates. We have those full updates from the National Hurricane Center, 11 and 5 o'clock in the morning and evening, 4 times a day. Prepare that home. Trim the trees tomorrow morning. Check the gutters and place those sandbags in place. Also, gather supplies by filling up that gas tank. Non-perishable food is important as too. And please understand forecast uncertainty. We have a good idea where it's going, but a couple miles east or west could change impacts for your area. So keep tuned. Do not panic. Not everybody's going to see significant effects, but a couple of us will, which is why we don't want you to tune out of the forecast. And do not compare this storm to a Dahlia, because there are differences in the track, size, and speed of the storm that will impact what impacts you see.